12 miles to empty, Farghini.
And this is the second warning we've gotten. Usually second warnings are like not, those are good. And look, that right there, the amount of gas has been going down like really fast. And I'm not sure how many miles there is to get to gas.
And this is all because you don't want to stop and get gas. You want to get Tommy to give the free gas, right?
Let's just put it this way. I don't want to pay for it. So let's get there and figure this out because Alejandro's not here.
Yeah, Alejandro's at a meeting. Alejandro's at a meeting right now, so he asked us to bring the truck and meet him.
2.25 miles, and this says 11 miles till empty.
The Rolls Royce would be dead now. All right, let's just hope the next scene isn't us on the side of the road with a canister. Tommy.
What's going on?
We need some help, dude.
What happened?
We need gas.
Not this gas. We already have this truck.
Yeah, we're 8 miles to empty.
That's not a problem. Hey, I'm not trying to just do this to get free gas. Yeah, you guys got a gas pump.
But mainly because Alejandro's not here to pay for his own gas.
Yeah, the thing is, like I'd have to pay for the gas, or a buddy would have to pay for the gas.
Okay,
so
we'd
rather have you pay for the gas.
Fair enough, that makes sense. Okay, we'll get gas in it.
Okay, cool.
This is like the 50th day that we've been back at Galpin, Farghini, I think.
Because it's like Disneyland here.
It's like Disneyland now.
And also,
because we're all trying to get cars for everyone. I think Petra's about to knock it out of the park, right?
Yeah.
So Petra's getting close.
Did he tell you about his new kind of plan? He's thinking Explorer, like a stock Explorer, but build it up.
So, so he's going to be one of those dicks that pretends to be a police officer.
I don't think he's going for that look. I don't know if he's going to go for that. Maybe that would be incredible, right? We get to go to places sooner. Right?
Yeah, and also people around us will not speed, which is another great one.
And not fuck with us.
Hey, so we just came here to gas because Tommy's like making sure that all of my truck is ready, set, because we're gonna go off-roading tomorrow. We're gonna learn how to off-road. And Tommy, who's the main guy here at Gas, is the one teaching us how to do that. So
he says he drives 100 miles an hour off-road.
That is fucking crazy.
But
I'll do 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, we're not letting him drive off. We need him. We need him. You're banned.
So that, and also I needed a trunk for the back. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you guys can tell, it's filled with pickup trucks right here. What is the one problem that I have? My wife wants to put shit in the trunk, and we cannot put one of these because we have that humongous rack on the back.
And the tire. And you have the tire.
And the tire, and the everything. And also the rack I'm talking about is not the...
Your wife has a rack?
No. That's what I was gonna say. So either way, Farghini, I was saying, because of all the stuff that we have on the back, I need to legitimately get a Pelican case. A legit Pelican case where I can put all of the stuff that we're gonna take, because we're gonna go to the mountains this weekend and we're gonna try and we're gonna off-road in the snow, because fucking the truck life seems amazing and I can't wait to get into it. And it was one of the funnest things I've done so far, getting into the truck life. Realizing like all the stuff that goes and gets put into every single truck and how different they are.
Wait, why are you saying it like that?
I don't know, I really like it. That's one.
There's one.
This is electric. See, there's a black one there, and then there's a black one there, and then there's another black one we saw over there.
Did he tell you the good news?
He's saying the Raptors are here.
Hey,
it looks like the Raptors are here.
You guys, look how ridiculous. Look where we are. I've always wanted to be in something like this. Like
it is the best. Hey, it is the fucking best. All we gotta do is go find that Raptor, the black one. So I think Buddy already found this. Oh, so that's
what the fuck?
You remember this from the Roush?
That's for you to get into the pool. Damn.
This could be a good canvas, right? And we
Yeah.
were just talking about just completely go ham and do everything that we possibly could on it.
Why not? It's a brand new truck, and just let the guys at Gas and Tommy and all those guys just fucking go bananas with it.
Let's go for our new landscaping business. You turn that up.
Hold the camera for me.
This is probably Alejandro's car.
Oh boy! Boom. Oh, this does have a moonroof. Yeah, this is...
What's your code? Give me your code. Quick.
No. Hang on.
Hey. Look where the engine was made.
In Mexico. God fucking damn it. Ford, you're throwing a lot of shit my way. There it is. Moonroof 2. Yeah, these are the trucks. Should we break a record and buy this truck today, Ivan, and get it ready?
I say we do it. Yeah, I mean, this is the MSRP, exact MSRP that we...
The 67?
67.5.
This is my truck.
That's it.
And to everyone asking, yes, I'm a cheap fuck. No, I'm changing the wheels and all the other stuff, so there's no point in me getting the more expensive Raptor. So, all right, let's get it.
Hey, good news is your truck is already pending repair.
Oh, no!
No, they're gonna add the bed liner, that's why that's there.
Fuck you, buddy. Oh, Farghini, is that a 4-cylinder F-Type?
Can I just drive around? Can I just drive around an F-Type here?
No.
Hey, that's a 4-cylinder one, Farghini. You can tell by the big exhaust on the back.
Now I can tell.
Just standing on the pickup truck now. This is fucking awesome, Farghini.
I'm trying to see how much stuff you can haul in here.
You fucking, god damn it! I shouldn't be making more videos with trucks. I think I'm done, guys. Thank you very much for watching. All right, let's make this happen, Ivan. Let's roll and let me actually get Farghini. Yeah, guys, he's got a problem. All right, let's go. Farghini, let's go.
I'm trying.
What are you doing? Let's go.
Ambient light. Okay.
No. I'll be right back to get you, girl. Wait, what is this?
Expedition. Looks like a navigator. Look.
Dude, these fucking. Hang on, let's go. This.
But that's the problem with being here.
Yeah,
right?
no. Let's go. All of these
Shenanigans.
No more truck talk. No more truck talk. Ivan Novovich.
You know what I just realized? Every time Buddy test drives a car, you buy one.
I promise you guys, I'm not doing this out of like mean intentions. I swear to God, it's
Wait.
it's a happy coincidence.
Wait.
What would you call it? What would you call it?
Serendipitous.
You like the SVR, right? No. You should test drive the SVR.
Hey, can we go to McLaren? I want to test drive the new 720S.
Oh, again.
This is the first time I've ever sold a car with 0 days in inventory. The car hasn't been here for 24 hours.
So this is your record?
This is my record. It got dropped off at 6 o'clock this morning.
That's incredible.
And it's already sold.
So just so you all know, I'm the fastest finisher.
And it'll be on the job site by tomorrow morning 9 a.m.
No!
Hey, but you're not the fastest shit.
Oh!
I still don't get Enjoy the laughters. I don't
The
get it.
faster you go like this, it doesn't change how fast the gear changes.
I still don't. Okay. I don't understand.
So in order to get the deal done today with Ivan, we did one simple thing. I'm bribing him with a burrito. With an asada burrito.
Thank you.
So Farghini,
Yes.
there's a car you want to see at Mazda?
So we're here at Galpin, and Mazda's right there. And one of the salespeople from Galpin came over and said I should go check out some inventory
At Mazda. I gotta be honest with you guys. I don't think that's a car that he's looking for. Okay, Farghini.
By the way, we need at some point we need Ivan to come and teach us about these cars, though.
So then let me ask you, what are we doing here?
The cars inside them. Look at.
The what car? Oh my God! Is that it? Is that they always so? Hang on, go ahead. So just so you all know, they always have like one of the first cars off the line.
Hey, see, he told us to come in here.
You were right. This is insane. Hang on, Farghini.
Hold on, here, everybody.
What a legit real car.
It's a perfect fit. Yeah, you can do this.
What is this? Yeah, what is this? What is this?
One of the first.
It's a Mazda Rebo
Mazdas, yeah.
Rebo Coupe.
Something like that.
The Rebo Coupe. Repo?
This I've actually never seen.
Because you know,
Farghini trying to fit
in their Honda dealership, they have the first Honda off the assembly line ever made.
No way. That's
Yeah,
what
they
that
do.
was?
Yep.
I'm gonna try to sneak in.
I don't think that's gonna work. Oof.
I can't even figure out.
Ooh, he almost took that apart. No. It is insane, though. Can I say something?
Yeah.
I was legitimately expecting that Farshad wanted to look at like a girl or something, but he really wanted to look at that car.
I just want to see the little car. Yeah, it's the little things to Farshad.
It is the little things. You know why? Because he's making fun of me with the
what
whole
happened?
little thing.
What happened?
Oh, let's show people how tiny you are, Alejandro. You can fit in this car.
Just so everyone understands why this joke is so funny, because Alejandro really is 6 feet tall.
It's all expected.
Yeah, it's all self-respecting.
All right. So Farghini, you and I will go.
Sign some depreciation documents.
You're such a piece of shit. I got my Raptor, guys. It's done. Ivan, Jeremy, everyone did it. Everyone did it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You're out of here?
I'm out of here.
Buddy, we'll see you tomorrow morning. I would actually love to pretend that I'm annoyed by being here every single day just buying cars, but it is pretty good. It's a pretty good thing.
And I have to come here every single day until we can get a deal going on R.
Now, the reason why this guy hasn't gotten a car is just because he's waiting on heaven to provide him a car with a deal at the same time. Whereas myself, I just go with what I can get.
I want more. I need a V8. I want a V8.
You guys did this to Farghini.
Yeah.
To Farghini. Farghini.
4-shot. Oh, what did they say? 4-shot.
Yeah, or Farghini.
What if I get a V8? Is my name gonna be 8-shot? There's still like 2 or 3 more visits we got to do here to get the car. Like,
Well, because we're missing Buddies, we're missing yours, Rodrigo's to pick up his Navigator when he picks it up.
We got to get him into order.
That's been my bad, actually. I told them that we were going to do that today, and we just haven't been in the office at all. Yeah, so it's my bad. So right now we're just waiting. They're detailing the car, finished paperwork. I just need to go do the long form contract. Once that's done, I'm just gonna go pick up the car. That's gonna be fucking, I gotta be honest with you guys. I don't need to take the car right now. They actually told me they're gonna do the bed lining, right? That's what it's called?
Bed liner, yeah.
The bed liner, they're gonna do it tomorrow. But I told them I wanted to drive it today, and I'll bring it back tomorrow before we go off-roading. So just know that there's not a lot of logic to what I do. I just do it because I want to.
Just don't do any truck stuff tonight.
The car's ready, Farghini.
Let's do it. Are you gonna drive your Raptor home?
Of course. No. I think you should drive the big, cool golf truck. Ivan, this is how you exercise those legs?
Yeah, this is how I get my big legs. Anyone wanting some working out tips, it's these stairs.
It's the stairs that keep you in shape. You used to be 400 pounds, right?
400 pounds, and then I got this
What?
job.
Are you being serious?
No. Thank you, sir. Hello, Tim. There she is, Veronica, my little China doll. Look at her. Oh, don't worry, guys. Nothing that you're seeing on the outside is gonna stay. Oh, Ivan, this looks so good. All cleaned up. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I did it myself.
Thank you.
Can you give me the code to this? What is the code?
It's instant.
No.
Hey.
No.
Oh, it's
No.
beautiful. Good job, yeah.
Can you help me set up the code, Ivan?
Yeah.
You're the man.
You have a default code, and you can set up your own personal code.
Ooh.
And for the first time in history, we'll be able to see how the system works.
Oh yeah.
On camera.
By the way, I never did it as a kid. It never worked.
I've never seen it work.
I've never seen it work.
Here, you may see it work. I've never seen it work.
Seen what works.
The button thing.
I had a car that had it. It works.
I feel like you're lying.
No, I swear. Look, we're gonna try it. 7890.
7.
That locks it.
Okay.
All right, and then you type in the code, secret code, so we're not gonna
Tell the code.
Okay.
Don't tell.
So that worked.
That works.
So it did. Wait, actually, no, we didn't check to see if it was locked.
Wait a second.
Hold on.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Lock
Hold
it.
on, hold on,
Lock
hold
it.
on,
Hang
hold
on.
on.
Hang on. Lock it.
7890.
Okay.
All right.
So that's locked now. Oh,
Now.
by the way, that worked. Go ahead, Ivan.
Okay.
And then you're gonna input the code that's there, which I'm gonna block you guys for a second, because otherwise, it's gonna get funny.
Oh, we have one problem.
Oh my God, what? We're never gonna remember that code. We're never gonna remember
Can
that
we make
code.
our own code?
Yeah, you can.
And can it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
No, wait, no. Hang on, these are demos?
That's the one.
Well, that's nuts, yeah, I remember, but this. Holy shit, guys, it's looking blue here, but it's the most beautiful purple you've ever seen. Holy crap.
So this will go into the loaner fleet.
Yes.
This is truly gorgeous, dude. See, this is why I can't just be here with these guys, because immediately it draws me to something else. And no, I need to be better about this, because we already have a problem at the house with all the cars. So after all the paperwork, and after being here for 3 days straight,
Yeah.
bam, bam, bam,
Oh, they're right next to each
Oh,
other.
yeah.
We gotta take a picture, you between the two. We gotta do it. Come on.
Can I do a Persian pose?
I'd be honored.
So in California, for everyone that doesn't know, we don't get plates for 90 days. Or that's like the limit of it. So the one thing that we put in them is we put those temp registrations right here. So a lot of people asking me, why don't you put plates on your cars? That's the reason why. I take advantage of that loophole and then pretend that I never got my plates.